Welcome back my channel. The Hero Hunk 2025 stands as a bold statement in the world of commuter motorcycles, merging performance, style, and practicality in a way that resonates with urban riders and enthusiasts alike. With its latest iteration, Hero MotoCorp has taken steps to refine and modernize the Hunk, reinforcing its position in the competitive 150cc-180cc segment. As two-wheeler markets continue to evolve, the 2025 Hunk brings a refreshing upgrade that appeals to both new-age riders and seasoned commuters. At first glance, the 2025 Hero Hunk impresses with a sharper and more muscular design. The bike features an aggressive front fascia with a redesigned LED headlamp and integrated DRLs that give it a fierce road presence. The fuel tank has been sculpted to appear more robust, with striking extensions that enhance its sporty appeal. Hero has introduced bold new color schemes and graphic patterns that accentuate the Hunk's athletic character. These cosmetic upgrades are not just for show, they reflect the overall shift towards a more premium and youthful feel in the motorcycle. Under the hood, the Hero Hunk 2025 is powered by a refined 160cc air-cooled, fuel-injected engine. This BS6 Phase 2 compliant motor delivers a power output of approximately 15 bhp and 14 Nm of torque, ensuring a smooth yet energetic ride through city traffic and open roads. The engine is mated to a 5-speed gearbox that is both slick and responsive, enabling effortless gear changes. Hero has focused heavily on improving ride quality and fuel efficiency, and the Hunk delivers a respectable mileage of around 50 km/h in mixed conditions. One of the most appreciated aspects of the 2025 Hunk is its improved suspension setup. It now comes with telescopic front forks and a 7-step adjustable mono shock at the rear, which together provide a comfortable and stable ride even on pothole-ridden roads. The frame remains nimble yet sturdy, and handling is predictable and confidence-inspiring. Whether you're weaving through tight traffic or cruising at moderate speeds on the highway, the Hunk manages to hold its composure with ease. The braking system has also seen an upgrade. The bike now comes equipped with a 276mm disc at the front and a 220mm disc at the rear, accompanied by single-channel ABS. This combination offers precise braking power and reduces the chances of wheel lock under sudden stops. The overall safety quotient is improved, which is a welcome addition for daily commuters and young riders who are just getting started with bigger bikes. In terms of features, the Hero Hunk 2025 doesn't fall short. The instrument cluster has been updated to a semi-digital unit that displays information such as speed, fuel level, trip meter, service reminder, and a digital clock. Hero has also integrated Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts via the Hero Ride Guide app, catering to the tech-savvy generation. A USB charging port is another thoughtful touch, allowing riders to stay connected on the go. Comfort remains a priority with a well-contoured seat that supports both the rider and pillion on long rides. The ergonomics are upright and commuter-friendly, making it easy to handle the bike in tight city lanes and during longer weekend trips. Foot pegs and handlebar positions have been slightly tweaked for better control and fatigue-free riding. When it comes to competition, the 2025 Hero Hunk takes on rivals such as the Honda Unicorn 160, TV's Apache RTR 160, and Bajaj Pulsar 150. While each of these bikes has its strengths, the Hunk's balanced combination of style, performance, and features gives it a unique edge. It is priced competitively as well, making it a value-packed option in the segment. The Hero Hunk 2025 represents a meaningful evolution in Hero's portfolio. It's a motorcycle that doesn't just cater to basic commuting needs but also adds a touch of sportiness and modernity to everyday riding. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or someone looking for a reliable second bike, the new Hunk offers a versatile and exciting package. With its stylish aesthetics, solid performance, and practical features, the Hero Hunk 2025 proves that it's ready to take on the urban jungle and win.